We just finished planting this. We use cardboard for the weed control, and it's going to have some river rock. And let me show you what type of tree it is. It is a beautiful eastern redbud, Cercis canadiensis. This is the information. I'm sure it's not going to freeze on us if it is zone 4 and we are zone 8. The trick will be if it can make it in the summer, which I hope it does. And it will be covered by part shade of the house shading this spot. We just reused these concrete shapes that were around a dead plant, which we're going to dig out. But for now, this is the project of the day. Looks very pretty. The cardinal is very happy. And we're just going to pour the rocks. I'll show it to you when we're done. Now get this on video. I think we should water it again. Oh yeah, I think this is actually fine. Try to leave the center what though? Uncovered. Yeah, that's a donkey. So we're clearing this area and I saw this dead thing. So I was going to be just on digging it and getting rid of it, but then we saw this. Which I think, if I'm not mistaken, it is a myrtle. So what I'm going to be doing is clipping it, pruning, getting rid of all the dead parts, and trying to save it as a, I don't know, like a bush or something. It's pretty much dead. This is probably a tiny root somewhere in there. But anyway, I don't have a tripod, so I'm going to have to just work and then show you what I did, because holding the camera is not going to let me do anything. I pruned it, I removed a bunch of weeds, I left the green parts in the hopes that it's going to turn into something. I'm pretty sure it is a myrtle, but time will tell. For now, I am done for the day, and I'm just going to water it and just give it a chance. If it turns out to be a mess, then I'm just going to remove it, plant something else. Thanks for watching.